Now here is another way that we can look at the colors. And this is what we commonly, refer to in nature and English is a rainbow. But there are lots of different ways to make a rainbow. And this is one of them. Vamos a empezar con rojo. I'm just going to start with a little point of red rojo. Y vamos a continuar con anaranjado. And I like to put them right close to each other because then you'll see how we blend them in a minute and they'll, kind of blend together pretty well. Next is amarillo, our yellow. So we have rojo, anaranjado, amarillo. And when we start to look at the order of the colors, we see that they actually blend together in nature, just like we did in the color wheel, where you have primary, then a secondary, then a primary, and then a secondary color. So now we have verde y azul. And there's indigo, of course that deep, beautiful blue, y morado. So we have rojo, anaranjado, amarillo, verde, índigo, azul, y morado. Now with this, I could use my paintbrush and spread it around, or I could use a different technique. I actually took, I'll get to that in a minute. I'm going to write out the words arco iris en los colores. So we have A, R, having trouble with my paintbrush now. C, en amarillo. O. Now the term arco actually comes from Latin and before then ancient Greek, because of course we're looking at an arc, which we see in geometry. And iris, well, that also comes from Latin and ancient Greek. We talk about the iris, or that color of our eye. Iris is color. Y finalmente, negro. So, tenemos nuestro arco iris. And now for that technique I was telling you about. If you take a piece of cardboard or a piece of hard paper and fold it in half so that you make what's called a straight edge. Take it to your paint, nice and tight so it's fully on the paper, and then here we go. Probably could have been a little tighter on my rojo there, but there is our arco iris, or rainbow. I'm going to fill in my rojo there a little bit so it kind of looks a little better. But there are todos los colores en nuestro arco iris, all the colors in our rainbow. And of course, there's lots of different ways to make rainbows, but this is my favorite. So we have our rojo, anaranjado, amarillo, verde, azul, morado. Nuestro arco iris. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. If you would like to see more of our Spanish educational content, please feel free to check here, or subscribe below here. Gracias and hasta luego.